everyone and welcome to News Movement English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news. But before that, I wish you all a very happy Durga Puja. A remand petition for police custody of Ashish Mishra was heard today. A remand petition for the police custody of Ashish Mishra, son of Union Minister Ajay Mishra, was being heard today in Lakhimpur Kheri violence case. Mishra was sent to a 14-day judicial custody by a local court after he was arrested late on Saturday. Earlier on Saturday, he was questioned for around 12 hours in connection with the violence in which 8 persons including 4 farmers were killed. A medical team examined Ashish Mishra in the crime branch office in Lakhimpur Kheri, after which he was taken for production before a judicial magistrate, who sent him to custody. Senior prosecution officer SP Yadav reportedly said that no politicians will be allowed to share the stage with farmer leaders. No politician will be allowed to share the stage with farmers' leaders at the Tuesday anti-Ardas prayers for the 4 farmers who were killed in the violence in Lakhimpur Kheri on October 3, a BKU Tikat office bearer said. Preparations for the Antim Ardas are underway at a field away from the spot where the violence took place in Tikonia village in pole-bound Uttar Pradesh. The Antim Ardas for all the deceased farmers will be held on Tuesday at Tikonia. BKU Taikat's district president Amardeep Singh Sandhu said on Monday on whether politicians will be part of the prayers. BKU Taikat district vice president Valkar Singh said no political leader will be allowed to share the stage where only Samyukta Kisan Morcha leaders will be present. The SKM is an umbrella organization of farmer unions and it is spearheading the protest against 3 farm laws which were enacted last year. Farmers and leaders of various farm unions from various states and districts of Uttar Pradesh will participate in the Ardas and Vogue program in Tikonia, Mr. Sandhu said, adding that no other program apart from the Antim Ardas and the Vogue has been communicated so far. 8 people died in the October 3 violence and of them 4 were farmers, allegedly knocked down by a vehicle carrying BJP workers. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, class 11, 12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali and English, Graduation Honours and Program, Computer Science plus Application Economics, Sanskrit, Pol Science, Philosophy, BCom, and we also provided all types of competitive classes like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Our contact number are 9932864067 and 8116183079. On the basis of secret information, the Niyamatpur Fari police of Kulti police station arrested 9 members of the cyber thug gang in Lachipur on Sunday night. They arrested from the area. According to the police sources, on the basis of secret information, the police launched a campaign to the cyber criminal team who were going to collect money from the Bolero vehicle. In the same sequence, the police caught them in Lachipur area. 1.5 lakh rupees cash and 5 ATM cards were recovered by the police. Police says that all the accused will be taken on 14 days police remand. Out of 9 people, 7 people are from Jharkhand and 1 people from Purulia and 1 from Chinakuri. Attractive worships were organized in different parts of Pandaveshwar assemblies. Attractive pujas have been organized in different parts of Pandaveshwar Assembly constituency. Pandaveshwar MLA cum RTA member Narendranath Chakraborty inaugurated puja pandals in different parts. During this, clothes were distributed among thousands of poor in different areas. MLA Narendranath Chakraborty appealed to everyone to enjoy the festival by following the government instructions. Let's defeat Corona together. At the same time, actress cum TMYC President Shayani Ghosh also inaugurated the puja pandals at Pandaveshwar.
Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy, lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800-258-7060.
According to our reporter Twinkle Barnwal, on the occasion of Durga Puja, a function was organized at Trinamool Bhavan in BNR area of Asansol today. On this occasion, West Bardhaman District INTTUC President Abhijit Ghatak, Asansol North Assembly Constituency presented the gifts to about 100 members of Banga Janani Bahini on behalf of Asansol North MLA and State Law and Works Minister Malay Ghatak. Utpal Sinha, Trinamool President of North Block 2 were present as the special guest. Apart from this, District President of Banga Janani Bahini Alapana Ma Banerjee, Executive President C.K. Reshma and all office bearers and members of Banga Janani Bahini, including Reena Mukherjee, Deepa Pal, Kamal Singh were also present.
আজকে আপনাদেরকে ডাকতাম না, কিন্তু আমাদের আজকে যত দিদিরা আছেন তারা হচ্ছেন উত্তর বিধানসভার দিদির সৈনিক। তাই জন্য আমাদের যে বিধায়ক আছেন শ্রী মলয় ঘটক, উনি কিন্তু নিজে, আমরা কিন্তু একবার ওনার কাছে বলিনি, উনি নিজেই কিন্তু বললেন যে বঙ্গজননীর যত নেতৃবৃন্দ আছে প্রত্যেকটা ওয়ার্ডের আমি আমার তরফ থেকে পুজোর শুভেচ্ছা তাদের হাতে তুলে দেব। কালকে এই প্রোগ্রামটা ঠিক হয়েছে, আজকে তাই জন্য পুজোর আগে যদি শুভেচ্ছা না দিলাম, পুজোর পরে শুভেচ্ছা দিয়ে লাভ আছে?
বঙ্গজননীকে মানুষের দরজা অবধি পৌঁছে দেবে এবং যেখানে বাংলার প্রত্যেকটা জননীকে নিয়ে আমাদের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের উন্নয়ন পৌঁছে দেবে ঘরে ঘরে। সেই বঙ্গজননীর যারা এখানে আমাদের মহিলারা রয়েছে, দেখুন আজকে দুর্গা পুজো এসছে, প্রত্যেক বছরই আসে এবং দুর্গা পুজো যেদিন শেষ হয়, মায়ের যেদিনকে নিরঞ্জন হয়,
মন্ত্রী মলয় ঘটক মহাশয় যারা এবারে অনেকেই ভেবেছিলেন আমাদের সরকার আর প্রতিষ্ঠিত হবে না, কিন্তু আপ্রাণ এই মা বোনেরা আপ্রাণ চেষ্টা করেছেন যাতে আবার এই সরকার প্রতিষ্ঠিত হয় এবং আমরা আবার প্রাণ খুলে হাসতে পারি। তাই আপনাদেরকে আবার আগাম শুভেচ্ছা জানিয়ে আপনাদের পুজো ভালো কাটুক এইটুকু কথা বলে সবাইকে আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি।
Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching for medical need AIMS entrance examinations by D.K. Lal Sir. Regular classes for class 11th, 12th and BSc. Contact number 9832-824-975. According to our reporter Manoj Sharma's report, Panuria Bazar Sarvajanin Durga Puja was inaugurated by Barabuni MLA Bidhan Upadhyay and West Bardhaman Jila Parishad's members Ashit Singh. The entrepreneurs of Panuria Gram Panchayat Chief Deputy Chief Puja Committee were also present there.
কতগুলো এখনো অবধি ওপেনিং করা
কালকে পরশু দিন করেছিলাম 4খানা, কালকে করেছি প্রায় 23খানা, গোটা রাত 11টা পর্যন্ত
11:30 অবধি আমরা শুনলাম।
23খানা করছি। আজকে
আজকে-
বারাপুনিরগুলো করছি, তারপর আবার 5টা থেকে করবো সারানপুর।
টোটাল কতগুলো হবে মোটামুটি এখন অবধি?
40খানা মতো হবে খালি আমার বিধানসভায়। বাইরের বিধানসভায় আমি এখনো যাইনি,
বাইরেও যাওয়া
এই বছর যাইনি। আমি দুর্গাপুরও সবগুলোই ছিল প্রায়, আমি যাওয়া হয়নি। অন্ডাল ছিল, রানীগঞ্জ ছিল, আমাদের আসানসোল, কুর্তি, কোথাও যায়নি, পরের ইয়ার থেকে।
There is no water in Mandalpur of Jamuria. People from there are suffering a lot. There is no water in Mandalpur of Jamuria. On one side, people are busy in celebrating Durga Puja. On the same time, one of the village has no drinking water. People are suffered from shortage of drinking water. Administration should take notice of this. The anger of people are natural.
এটা কোন জায়গা?
এটা মন্ডলপুর মাছপাড়া আছে। পৌরসভা থেকে অ্যানাউন্স করে গেল 3 দিন জল আসবে না। ঠিক আছে, আজ 18 দিন হলো, কোনো জল নেই। আমাদের ট্যাঙ্কির দরকার নেই, সব দিকে জল আসছে, পাইপ লাইন আমাদের দরকার। এটাই আমাদের, ওই জন্য পথ অবরোধ।
তো আপনারা জল এখন কিভাবে আপনাদের কাজ হচ্ছে বাড়ি?
পথ অবরোধ করেছি যাতে পুকুরের জল যাদের কুয়া আছে তাদের বাড়ির থেকে নিয়ে আসছি। জল খেয়ে অসুস্থ হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
তো অবরোধটা করলেন কেন?
অবরোধ করেছি যাতে জল দেওয়া হয়। পৌরসভাতে খবর 3 দিন টাইমের জায়গায় আজ 18 দিন হয়ে গেল।
কেউ এসছে?
পুলিশ গাড়ি এসেছিল, ওনাকেও দাঁড় করিয়েছিলাম, উনিও ঘুরে গেছেন।
আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম পিঙ্কি চন্দ।
Income Tax Department raids Hetero Pharmaceutical Group. The raiding officers were stunned when they found Rs 142 crore lying in the sales of the cash office. This company exports most of the products abroad, that is USA, Europe, Dubai and other African countries. The income tax had conducted a search operation at about 50 places in 6 states. During the search, the locations where the books of accounts and the second set of cash were found were identified. Many evidences have been found in the form of digital device, pen drives, documents, etc., which has been confiscated. During these raids, irregularities in purchase made from fake and non-existent companies were also exposed. In addition, evidence of payment for the purchase of land was also found, and several other illegal issues were also identified, such as personal expenses in the book of company and land purchased below the respective government registration value. According to the Central Board of Direct Taxes, a search operation was conducted on October 6 on a leading pharmaceutical company, which is based in Hyderabad. And so far, unaccounted income of about 550 crores has been unearthed. Challenge: 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with court agreement. JEE and NEET coaching by Motion, the Durgapur Study Center. Contact us 9434 822 278 and 8900 100 080. Indian Army has suffered a major setback during the war with terrorism. On Monday, 5 soldiers, including a JCO, were martyred during an operation against terrorists in Poonch. According to sources, this martyrdom of the soldiers took place when contingent was conducting a search operation against the terrorists. During this, the terrorists ambushed the troops and attacked the troop, in which 5 soldiers, including a JCO, were martyred. At present, additional forces have been sent from the Indian Army to the spot and the area have been cordoned off. Encounter is going on with the attacking terrorists. Terrorists from Pakistan had ambushed the Surankot area of Poonch. The terrorists carried out this attack when the soldier was conducting a search operation for the terrorists in the forest of Chamber area of Poonch. An army officer said that during this time there was heavy firing on the soldiers, in which we lost 1 JCO and 4 soldiers. Operation is going on to eliminate this terrorist. He said that there is a possibility of 4 to 5 of the attacking terrorists. Sitarampur group handed over clothes to 105 students and children. Help for Sitarampur group has handed over puja cloths to 105 needy students and children of Disha Janakalyan Kendra at Lachipur in Sitarampur today. On behalf of the organization, Vishwanath Mitra, teacher at Eastern Railway High Secondary School, said 20 members of the North Virginia Bengali Association in the US state of Virginia has paid $80,000 for this, and I buy it for our children. Paul Upadhyay, one of the member of the group from America, said over the phone, "Just like last year we donated puja cloths to the children, this year we have decided to put a smile on the face of every child." Expatriate Indian Ashok Martaid said shirts and pants for boys and salwar kameez or bangles for girls have been brought this year as well. Pulak Chakrabarti, another expatriate from Virginia, told on WhatsApp that for the past years, through the Help for Sitarampur project, we have all been able to provide intermittent education along with lunch and snacks here every day, which will run until December 7. Rajini Das, one of the member of Help from Sitarampur, said that the livelihoods of many in the region have come to standstill due to the COVID supermass. Pujo's cloths will bring joy to the minds of their children, even if they are small, apart from Vishwanath Baburia, the Joint Secretary of Disha, Debabrata Adhikari, Prosenjit Das, Shadhana Das, Chand Mohammad, Anirban, Shujit, Tumpa Sinha, Bapi Sharkar and others were also present to conduct the program smoothly. Not only for the students but also for the volunteers of Help for Sitarampur who have been doing their part in providing food and education to the children of Disha every day since last April. News Movement's team extend its best wishes to all on Sharadiya Utsav. Please be careful. In the need, call the police on following numbers. Emergency service dial 100, ERSS dial 112, Shakti Help Oman by Oman, call 740-74-51091, Oman Safety Abhaya, call 960-9900-100, Anti-Drug, call 9609-221100, Public Complaints, call 81700-40567. Pass for verification, call 81700-54444. Motor Accident Claim Cell, call 811-66-04402. SMS of the moment, boost your mood with healthy food. To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.